Hi and welcome back into this channel, and thank you so much for clicking to this video. So today I am going to show to you how to change Instagram picture after posting it. So first, what I am going to do is to simply launch my Instagram app on my device, and then after that I am going to tap onto my profile here on the bottom right part of the screen to go to my profile on Instagram. And after that I am going to tap on my post, and on the upper right part of the post you will see three dots, and just tap on it and then tap again on the edit section. And as you can see here, I can only edit the caption on my post, and I cannot actually do anything to the picture on my post. But if you really want to edit out the picture in your post right here, you actually need to go back to your actual post and then click again the three dots on the upper right part, and then just completely delete your post to make the picture disappear on your feed. So that is basically what you can do about it, and that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.